Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a tutorial for Blackpink Jisoo's makeup for her Dior campaign that appeared in Dazed magazine Korea. The very first step we're going to do is put in an eyeshadow base just so that the colors really pop and they stay in place all day long. While the eyeshadow base is drying, I'm going to go in and do my brows. I start off with a brow gel. Once that gel has dried a little bit, I go in with a pencil and I just do small little strokes first to outline my eyebrow, and then I go back and do small vertical strokes and horizontal strokes to mimic hair strokes. And once I'm happy with my brows, I go back with the spoolie and just comb through, making sure there's no excess product. Onto the eyeshadow, I'm going to start by laying down my transition shade with a big fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going around that crease area, making sure that I slowly blend up the color, but I don't go too far up above the crease. Next, I'm going to take a smaller fluffy blending brush and I'm going to go in with a deeper shade. And I'm focusing that more around my lash line and going up to that transition shade and slowly building up that color to really make a smoky look. To highlight my eyelid, I'm taking a champagne color and just tapping that on with my finger and then taking a clean finger to kind of blend out the harsh edges. Then move on to my eyelashes. I'm just giving them a good curl. Next, I'm taking a gel liner. I'm going to go around my lash line and actually take that color above so that I can smoke it out for the next step. So I took a small dense brush and I'm going back to blend out the eyeliner that I just placed down, and I'm just smoking it out around that lash line. I'm going back with a large fluffy blending brush and just blending out all of the colors that I already laid down and making sure that the eyeshadow and the eyeliner is really softly dispersed. I'm going to do the same steps to the bottom lash line. I'm going to start with that gel liner once again, and I'm laying down a kind of darker foundation around the lash line, and then I'm going to go back to blend that out. Again, taking a dense brush, I'm going to go back around the lash line and really smoke out that eyeliner so it's really soft. I'm going to go back with a small blending brush and just use the first transition shade to make sure that the edges are really nicely blended out and really seamless. And this look wouldn't be complete without giving a little bit of attention to our lashes, so I'm just going to go in with my favorite waterproof mascara just to make sure that the curl lasts all day. Moving on to the rest of my face, I'm applying a BB cream with a large, dense brush. I'm going in with a blush serum. I'm using the same brush that I used to apply my BB cream all over my face. I want a kind of softer, more subdued blush look, and so I'm just going in at the highest point of my cheeks and kind of bringing it up and back. I'm going in with a concealer and just spot concealing a few blemishes and a few areas of discoloration around my face. Taking a color corrector, I'm going right at the darkest point of my under eye and just using my clean finger to blend that out. I'm going in with a tinted lip balm because her lip look is quite natural, so I'm just going to keep it at that. Last and final step is a setting spray. I'm using a dewy setting spray all over my face. And this is the finished look. Thank you so much for joining me for this one, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!